Hi KB, I've got a quick math video for you today about lesson 2.4. Now, during this lesson, you're going to be working with some of those words greater, less, and same, which I know you know all about. Okay, we spent a lesson for each one of those words. I know you know what the word same means. Greater means more. So if we're talking about two different numbers or sets of objects, greater, we want the one that is bigger or has more. And I know that you know that less means smaller. So if we have two numbers or two sets, when we're talking about the word less, we're talking about the one that has the smaller number. Okay? So today's kind of a day to practice with that. And what you're going to be doing is starting with one set and then creating your own set using the words same, greater, or less. This might seem a little bit confusing, but I think it will make more sense when I show you this. So if I take a look at my whiteboard here, I drew a set of circles. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. This is the set I'm starting with. 4 circles, and I wrote the number 4 so I remember. Now, let's say someone asked me to show another set that is less than 4. Let me show you what I could do. They're not telling me a number, they just want me to create a set that is less. So watch what happens. I'm going to think about the number 4, and then I'm going to think about all the numbers I know that are less than 4, and I'm going to pick one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw circles and match them up to show this. So I might draw 1, 2, 3. Now, get this on the camera here. I drew 3 circles for my next set. I can match them by drawing lines to show that there is less in the set that I drew. So I have 3 down here. This last one in my set with my 4 does not have a match. So I can see that the set of 4 is greater than the set of 3. I was asked to draw a set less than 4, so I chose 3. Now, let's start with that same set again and change things up just a little bit. Fix my whiteboard here. So if I have my same set of 4 circles, what if they asked me to draw a set that was greater than 4? Here's what I could do. I can think of all the numbers in the world that are greater than 4. There's lots of them, and pick one. Maybe I'll pick this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll go with 6 this time. Now check it out. Here's my set of 6 because I was asked to make a set that was greater than 4, and I can match them up to check it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, I still have these 2 that don't have a match, so I know that the set that I picked is indeed greater than 4. That's all you're going to be doing today in today's lesson. You're going to be starting or given a set and asked to use your words greater, less, or same to match these sets up and show that you know what these words mean. Now, we're actually not going to check in with Mr. Mouse today because I think the way he shows this lesson is a little bit confusing. So what you can do is you can go right into your book and check out lesson 2.4. Now, when you look at the lesson in the book, there's going to be cubes, and we don't have cubes because I cannot send them home with you. So what you can do is just draw your own cubes for each set, and I think you'll do a great job. It's not too difficult. Remember, just listen for the word. If they're asking you to show a set that is greater, make sure you create your own set that is more than the set that you start with. If they ask you to create your own set that is less, make sure the set that you make is smaller than the set that you're starting with. Okay? Good luck. I know you're going to do a great job.